Hello, Abdullah David is my name. Welcome to my Excel lecture video. In this lecture video, I want to see how to use the SUMX DAX function. Let's get started. Now, the SUMX returns the sum of an expression evaluated for each row in a table. Now, we have this transaction data and we have our dimension in a table here. So we actually want to look up this price using the related function in our SUMX, which is going to perform a row by row evaluation. So I'm going to come back to my sales data. So I can of course do it in my measure grid. So I'm going to just come here in the formula bar and just type, okay, let's provide a name for the column. Let's say this is total revenue, then colon equals to, so I'm going to type in my SUMX. So the SUMX perform an iteration while the sum is the aggregation function. So the first argument of the SUMX is the table. So I'm going to provide my table, which is this sales data. So this is the table, and my expression, I'm going to use a related function because I'm trying to look up the price in our DT product dimension table. So I'm going to just type in product. All right, so that is where we have the price. Price. Okay, then I'm going to close that up and I'm going to multiply that with the unit sold, which is located in our sales underscore data units sold. Then I'm going to close my SUMX. So what I do essentially is that we have the price in our related table. So the price is going to be multiplied with each particular unit sold in a row by row context. So I'm going to click on OK or enter. So we're going to see in our measure grid here, car. Okay, so this is our output, which is total revenue. So let's quickly create a pivot table. I think we've created one before. Okay, let's just come here. Okay, so in my active sheet, I'm sure I should be able to see it. This is now. Let's see. How much revenue we made for all the month, each month of the year. Okay, so we have all our month, and let's use that total revenue. Okay, which we did with the SUMX. Can you see? Let's right click, number formatting, and let's apply currency. I don't need decimals. Click OK. So we can see this is the total revenue for each particular month of the year. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you and bye for now.